So this event has been put on by the Royal Academy of Engineering, and they do lots and lots to really support engineers, from trying to influence policy to celebrating engineering in all its different guises.
Technology is advancing to a stage where it seems like it could bring a bit more humanity into it. So instead of focusing on the clinical diagnosis, let's look into what a person with disability wants in terms of their lifestyle, their social needs.
So you can detect one sick person in 10,000 healthy people in a city from sewage.
So the exciting thing for me is the scale that we can get to with this. We now see the opportunity to install over 1 billion reef cubes between now and 2040 in every ocean across the globe.
E-waste, or electrical waste, is the fastest growing waste stream globally. The amount that we produce weighs more than the Great Wall of China, and that's annually.
What is engineering to me? I think a lot of people, they still think engineering is about building bridges, but in its essence, it's about bridging the gap between problem and solution. And for me personally, it gave me the toolkit and the confidence to tackle a problem that meant the world to me.
Are we going to get to net zero? That's the simple, basic question. My answer is, technologically, we already have the solution.